convenient if you really serve him properly. It's a lot of sacrifice. He has always been a God of sacrifice, even sacrificing his own son, Jesus Christ. If men will sacrifice their time, energy, and finances, we will see another great awakening. Stop the nations from following the beast government that most nations will follow according to the book of Revelation. Now, I'm reading again from this report I spoke clear back in 2010. Today, I'm pushing a great awakening with Eagle Saving Nations even harder because the nation is more vital. Yes, the Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade, but only because Trump put in 3 conservative justices. Not because the nation became better. 52% of the nation agrees with abortion. America did not become better. It's worse now. And I can tell you, if we don't have another great awakening, repent of the sins of abomination, this nation has fallen. And no politician is going to stop it. No politician. Trump won't stop it because the Republicans are accepting sins of abomination, homosexuality, etc. We have to have another great awakening. On Tuesday, January 12th, the team attended a prayer meeting led by the family